Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Without,
sir.
without further delay, we should start, right? And what I have discussed in the last class is data cleaning and data preparation, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what I told you to discuss today,
Dealing with different types of data.
dealing with different types. So, um, going. My screen is visible, right?
No.
No? Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So, let's wait for 1 more minute. Then we will start. So, do you know what is data mining, data warehousing, in big data? What are all those stuff you know? And we have discussed, I think. Yeah. Yes, right.
yes.
We
No,
discussed
we
that.
don't discuss that.
Discussed that.
We didn't discuss data warehousing and data mining and all.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is data mining? What is big data?
In data mining, we are extracting the meaningful patterns and insights. And in data warehouse, it is a centralized repository where we can store the data and organize in a easy way to understand.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Data mining, I would say it's a process where we organize the data into the database
Mhm.
and like analyzing, like that. Data mining is like analyzing large amounts of data, finding patterns and trends, and
Okay.
extracting
Sir, actually,
data.
data mining is a process where we try to find the insight from the data which never find before.
Hmm. And what is big data?
Sorry.
What is big
Where
data?
large and complex data requires advanced data preprocessing for
Mhm.
insights, known as the big data.
Big data means
Big data
is the
basically are
way
those
to
data which
collect and maintain the process. Means when you have huge amount of information, you just want to collect the data and store and what extract the valuable information from very huge amount of data. It's big data is all about. Means it is the technique of tracking and discovering of trends from complex sets of data. And the goal is to make more vital and usable and more usable data. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
means it contains the huge volume data. It means big data, and it's uh, the main target is to find the data relations. Okay, and in that same sense, what is data mining? It primarily targets an analysis of the data and to extract the useful insights from those. Okay, and it can be used large amount of data or low amount of data, and its primary method is to for data analysis. Okay, means data is analyzed on a regular basis over here in data mining, and it is nothing but extract the information from large data set or small amount of data. And it is performed by businesses with the assistance of data mining engineers or not, like that. And technologies we are using like AI, statistics, then databases and machine learning to make it useful to extract the valuable insights from the data. And the pattern recognition tools are also used in the data mining process. In that case, what is data warehousing?
Uh,
Data. Mhm. Yeah,
yeah,
tell me.
it's a repository of data
Mhm.
where you store a large amount of data in order to analyze it further.
Means the data is saved on a regular basis where we can store the data, right? This is the
Yes, sir.
process of aggregating all relevant data and store in a particular format. Yes, means this
Yes.
data warehousing. There are four main rules: is it is subject oriented, integrated, time variant, and non-volatile. Okay,
Okay,
if
sir.
you are in
Okay.
if you are engineering student and in your syllabus, university or college level, there is a course called data warehousing and data mining. Okay, there you may uh, use the Weka tool. Have you ever heard about the Weka tool?
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
What is that? What is Weka tool? Can anyone tell me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Actually, it is a
Anyone
software which
over
is used.
there? It is a software.
It is a Mhm. and for it is used for data mining and machine learning.
Okay. Weka tool, let me show you. As you can see here, this is the Weka tool that we are using it for data mining problems, right? Yes. The next
Yes, sir.
task for
Yes.
you, next class task for you, use the Weka tool. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Use it, and
Yes,
as
sir.
it has means as it is powerful and open source data mining machine learning platform where uh, it is used for the processing of the data, classification, regression, clustering, then association, rule mining, and visualization. And it is written in Java, and it provides the graphical user interface that makes it user friendly. Okay, anyone can use it. It's not that tough. Okay, what are the various features if we'll talk about in Weka? So when you'll download the Weka, just wait, download it, wait for it. You download, then you can open it. And it is user-friendly GUI, means no need for extensive coding, and it is easy to navigate for the beginners. And it has some extensive machine learning algorithms, means built-in algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and many. Okay. Then data, it is supports data cleaning, transformation, normalization, feature selection, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And we can integrate Weka into custom Java applications as well, and it is cross-platform. There's cross-platform compatibility with the works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Okay. Then it
Yes.
has some when you'll download it, when you'll open the main page, you can see there are various means the Weka architecture means it is structured into several key components. Okay, that is one is Explorer, Experimenter, Knowledge Flow, and another one, CLI. It's your command line interface. Okay, means from the Explorer, the for more complex data processing pipeline. And simple CLI is nothing but for advanced users who prefer the scripting. Okay, and the data formats. It will support the data formats like I'm audible.
So I can't hear you. Now you're audible. Yeah.
Your voice was breaking, sir.
Um, it, sir, I can't hear you again.
I'm audible now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the various data points supported by Weka? If we'll talk about that. So, means it can support the ARFA format, that is attribute relationship file format. Then the active format. This is the active format of Weka, that is ARFF. Then it contains the metadata and the data, ARFF. And CSV format it also supports is commonly used for simple tabular data. Then XLSX means Excel file. Then some of the JSON and databases also it is supposed to extensive and plausible. Okay, extension as well. Okay, if you let it to download, so you can understand. In the Explorer interface, this is commonly used means for the interfaces in Weka divided into following parts. Okay. Here you can find the pre-process tab, classify tab, cluster tab, or then associate tab, then you can select your attributes, then visualize the tab. So let it be download and I can show you. I will work on that. And the next class task is to download it and use this. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Everyone is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Payal, Sai Udaya, Anurag,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Lokesh,
sir. I'm here.
Yes,
Deepika
sir.
Padle, everyone is there.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
Download it now. It's download.
Sir, in this Weka software, what and all we can do?
What?
Like in this
The
Weka
website.
software, what and all users we can do?
Yes, let me show you. You can create your model, machine learning model. You can pre-process the data, and you can form various insights.
So,
Yes,
uh,
yes,
yes, sir. So my question is, as you told us that we can perform model bidding and data cleaning, right, with Weka.
yeah,
So my question is, we can perform all that stuff with Jupyter as well, right? So what is the difference between
yes.
Weka and Jupyter?
Means in Jupyter Notebook, you are talking about
Yes,
Jupyter
sir.
Notebook, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Here
sir.
the coding means this is inbuilt models are there. Okay, just you can click
Okay.
over there, and then
Okay.
your suppose take the example of dysentery and J28 or J15 model you want to. Just click over
Okay.
there, then it will so you just import your data set, or there are some inbuilt data sets also available. You can click over there and the model is ready. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Understood, sir. Thank you so much.
So in some error, I think. There is a problem in the setup. So in the meantime, you can use the task. Okay, in the class we'll do that in 1 hour. So there are some in the interface, Explorer interface, you can find the tab of pre-process, classify. In pre-process tab, you can load the data set, then the data cleaning techniques to remove the missing values, handle the outliers, then you can perform the feature selection and transformation, like your normalization and discretization method. Okay. Then in the classify tab also, you can apply classification and regression algorithm for decision tree, naive Bayes, support vector machines like that. Then you can evaluate the model performance using cross validation or percentage split as well. Then you can view the metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion metrics, and ROC. Okay. Then
Okay,
there
sir.
is a cluster tab. In the cluster tab, you can perform the clustering using algorithms like your k-means, EM method, that is expectation maximization. Then you can analyze the cluster assignments and evaluate clustering performance. Then there is a associate tab. You can discover the association rules. Means everything that are in machine learning you have to do in coding. Here, you just click, select your model, then it will be ready. Then there is a select attribute tab. Means you can perform the feature selection to improve the model efficiency and accuracy, and then use ranking methods to identify the most important attributes. Okay. Then when it comes to experimenter interface, in that one is explorer, another one is experimenter. Here you can, it is designed to run multiple machine learning experiments automatically. It will compare the algorithm performance across different data sets or different configurations, you can say. Then it helps download it, but by showing error, have to look into that. Console. Hmm. Off now. You can see my screen, everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Person. Can you look and see? You can work on Jupyter. I've just told you. What I told you, you need to clarify. What data set you are talking about? Can you tell me?
Sir, it is related with our project, like that IPL data analyst. We need to use legal data
2008
set.
to 2024. Can you do that by your own?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah,
We will
can
try from our
you?
end, sir.
Yes, you can. If you can try, according to the
Yes, sir.
features that I told you, I've told you the features. What are the things you need to use?
No, sir. You
No,
just
sir.
No, sir.
you
No.
just told us that you will inform about it.
Okay, then. I'll. So after this discussion, I'll tell you what to use it. Because the
Okay,
package
sir.
manager that you can install on your Steam tools. Yes,
Okay,
you
sir.
can see over here now. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is
Yes,
the
sir.
yes, sir.
Explorer tab. This is the Experimenter tab. Let's see. In the Explorer, this is pre-process, classify, cluster, associate, select, associate. Those are click on. So you can input your file over here. Then relevant files you have to choose. Everything you need to choose. Then you need to run this and analyze the result. Here your output will be shown. Then yeah. Then in the this is experimenter. Then in the Explorer, as you can see, there is attributes, association, clustering, classification. Everything is there in the experimenter also. Then in the knowledge flow interface here, it helps you to a drag and drop visual environment for creating complex data workflows, and is similar to tools like NIM or Rapid Miner. If you have ever used that, then you can understand. Then it is good for automating the data pre-processing, modeling, and evaluation tasks without writing the code. Okay. Then it comes to command line interface. Yes. Simple. That is a simple CLI. It is used for what? Advanced users who prefer automation and scripting. Means it supports the batch processing and integration with other systems. And if we'll talk about the key machine learning algorithms in Weka that are inbuilt in Weka here, as you can see, workflow environment, you can create your own data mining processes. It is written then the data resources, RFF loader, you can select. Then data sync, you can use filters, classifiers if you want to use classifier, cluster association, attribute selection, evaluation, visualization, flow tools, everything is available. So here you can use your what? Drag and drop method to create your model, data mining to perform data mining tasks. Okay. Log out from here.
Sir,
Then yes,
sir, this is related to the Power BI, like same exit.
yes. Not Power BI. Your Power BI only you can
नहीं
visualize
नहीं
it.
मतलब
Yes,
ऐसे मतलब ये विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए मतलब
yes,
सेम लग
yes,
रही इसके
yes,
टूल्स
yes,
एंड ऑल.
yes, 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 yes.
ओके.
Means it's
और
not
इसमें
for
भी प्रोसेस
visualization.
सेम
It is
होता है.
no process same नहीं होता. In
ओके.
Power BI, you are visualizing the interactive dashboards you are creating. Okay,
ओके.
but here the main purpose is to use the machine learning algorithm pre-process the data, perform data mining tasks at the same time without
ओके.
any coding knowledge. Okay.
Okay. Yes. It's like drag and drop tools and all,
Yes,
no?
yes,
So
yes, yes,
I
yes.
like
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is
yeah. In simple
Power
CL
BI.
also you can use the simple scripting also, but
Okay.
it's more about is just drag and drop. You just select the attributes
Yes.
what you need to do, what the model you want to select, then
Okay.
your task is over.
Okay.
Then,
So,
what are the key machine learning algorithms if we'll talk about? Then there are some classification algorithms. The
okay.
most famous classification algorithm that is decision tree. There is a model called J48. This is the Weka version of I think C4.5 algorithm or something like that. Then it is
Okay.
supports naive-Bayes algorithm like simple probabilistic classification based on Bayes theorem. Then support vector machines for classification of high dimensional data. Then it uses random forests that ensemble the method using multiple decision tree for robust performances. Then it has logistic regression for binary and multi-class classification. Then we can use here various regression algorithms also there, means your linear regression, then your support vector regression, then your what M5P model trees that combines the decision tree with linear regression model. You can use that one also. Then various clustering algorithms like k-means, and then your EM, that is expectation maximization for probability clustering, and k-means clustering is that partitions the data set into cluster. Then in association rule mining here, the main purpose why in my college days also why I've used that one when it comes to a priori algorithm. Here you can find the frequent item sets and generate association rules. Also you can use this Weka tool for association rule mining. Okay. Then FP growth means faster alternative for large data. Then various attribute selection techniques like your information gain, CHI square gain ratio for evaluating the importance of the feature. Then PCA also, your dimensionality reduction technique also you can perform. Okay. Then
Okay.
when it comes to here, data processing you can do, pre-processing you can do. How? Here you can do what are the steps you can do in data processing, pre-processing. Everyone is there and everyone is listening to me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Unless
Yes, sir.
class
Yes,
starts,
sir.
Yes,
but
sir.
guys,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
remember. Let me
Yes.
Yes,
see.
sir.
Yes, sir.
The people who are active in the
Sir,
last class, like the
Yes, sir.
uh, just to hold. Yeah,
Sir, I have one question more.
yeah, sure, sure.
इट्स मीन्स ये जो मशीन लर्निंग में ये वेका सॉफ्टवेयर इस मशीन लर्निंग के अल्गोरिदम्स को यूज करने के लिए ज़्यादा यूज होता है या इट्स मीन्स मशीन लर्निंग का जो रोल होता है एज अ कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में मतलब वर्किंग के यहाँ
No, no, no.
इट्स
Here, as if
ओके
you are as a fresher or a student, I'm saying, okay.
यस
For
नहीं नहीं
better
मतलब मैं एज
understanding,
अ
you can use
इंफॉर्मेशन
Weka
पूछ
tool.
रही हूँ
Else, Weka is not that regularly used software in the
ओके
various industry. Okay,
इंडस्ट्री ओके ओके यस एज
you
अ
can use it
इंफॉर्मेशन
as a
पूछ रही थी
fresher, but it has some demerits also, disadvantages also. I'll
ओके
tell you about that.
ओके
Okay.
थैंक यू सर
Then how it will pre-process the data. So everyone is there. Servants and the girl who was
yes.
there yesterday. I think her name was. I don't recall.
उन्नति
Uh, what?
उन्नति
Uh-huh. Yes,
Unnati.
yes. Unnati or something like that. She is not there today. Fine. So, and how will perform data pre-processing in the Weka? You can handle the missing values. Means you can replace the with a mean median mode or remove the instances by using this tool. Then discretization method you can use means you're converting the continuous data into categorical beams. Then normalization or standardization that scales the feature for algorithm that is sensitive to data magnitude. Then filtering also you can do means you can apply the unsupervised or supervised filters to transform the data sets. Then evaluation metrics. There are some evaluation metrics also available in Weka. Okay. And so without doing your coding, without going for any code, you can use this. Okay, and why I'm telling you guys that you are analytic students, if you and don't, if you will not like the machine learning that we are going to discuss in the upcoming sessions, you can use this tool. Okay,
ओके
Okay, sir. So, what is the industry tool that is used instead of this?
means instead of Weka,
Yes.
यस
we are using your main thing, Jupyter Notebook. And in the industry, there are various means Google Colab is vastly used in everywhere. Okay,
यस
so evaluation matrix, if we'll talk about, then it is have the confusion matrix evaluation. Means it is so true positive, false positive, true negative, and false negative. Then here you can use your accuracy, that percentage of correctly classified instances. Then precision and recall for evaluating the imbalance data set. Then F1 score means the harmonic mean of precision and recall. What are all those stuffs I've discussed? What is confusion matrix? What is precision? What is recall? What is F1 score? I've discussed along with you. What are the evaluation matrices? Yes, guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I've
Sir.
discussed along with you what is precision, what is recall, F1 score, all those stuff.
Mm,
Sir,
I'll just say yes or no.
and no,
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, means listen. When it comes to evaluating the performance of machine learning models, accuracy is just to tip the iceberg. Okay, you can see that. Means in classification tasks where the model predict the categorical outcomes, then a metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, and support. It will provide you a more nuanced and understanding of the model effective. Okay. When it comes to precision, all of you please listen to me carefully. When it
Yes.
comes to
okay, sir.
precision measures the proportion of true. So first understand. Okay. Just let me open. Yeah, this is it. As you can see over here, there is precision, recall, F1 score, accuracy, specificity. Okay, first understand what is
Yes, sir.
precision actually. So there is a term called, yes, it should be open. You can see over here. There is a term called true positive, false negative, and true negative. What is this? If you tell, means true positive is nothing but you have predicted the value is positive and finally you found the value is positive. That is called true positive. What is false positive? When it happens when the type error will be there, means false positive means you have predicted the value is positive, but it is when you found it, it is false. That is
It was
called
negative. Yeah.
false positive.
Yes.
Then what is
False.
false negative? Means when you the predicted value is negative, but you found it as positive. That is called false negative. Then what is true negative? When the predicted value is negative and it is actually negative, that is called true negative. Thereafter, it comes to precision, means your evaluation metrics, like your in the classification report, you can find the precision, recall. This is all used for classification tasks, right? Precision, recall, F1
Yes.
score.
Yes.
And when we are using regression, we are using the R2 score, then root mean squared error, mean absolute error, all those stuff we are using the evaluation metrics for regression based
Yes.
models, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
अभी ये
Yes.
सब दिमाग में जा रहा है ना? कोई
Yes.
है क्या
Yes, sir.
जिसके दिमाग में नहीं
Yes.
जा
Yes, sir.
रहा? रुको
Sir.
रुको. ए- और
Yes.
एक another girl was there in the last class. So, what's her name?
Yes, sir.
Something like
Yes.
one girl was there is Gayatri Payal,
Yes, sir.
Vinita, then Lokesh,
Yes, sir.
Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The girl was there in the last
Sir.
class. I think Unnati and
I'm also.
the other girl is
Yes, sir. I am also there.
yes, you are also there.
I'm also there. Sir.
Just listen. Pooja, are you there? Yes. Then Srishti, Shiva Manoj. Yes, this girl, I think. Shibangi Vyas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not active today.
Yeah,
You are in the
actually,
class, right?
everything is
You are
everything.
listening?
Yes, 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 sir.
So, okay. See. Uh, So, means precision is the measures the proportion of true positive predictions among all positive predictions made by the model, and it is calculated as the ratio of true positive to the sum of the true positive and false positive. Means precision is nothing but true positive upon true positive plus false positive. Means it indicates how many of the predicted positive instances are actually positive. Means a high precision indicates that the model is making a few false positive predictions. Okay. Then it comes to recall. What is recall? It measures the proportion of true positive predictions among all actual positive instances in the data set, and it is calculated as the ratio of true positive to the sum of the true positive and false negative. Means recall is nothing but, as you can see over here, true positive upon true positive plus false negative. Means it indicates that how many of the actual positive instances the model is able to correctly identify. Means a high recall indicates that the model is capturing most of the positive instances in the data set. And what is the next term is F1 score. What is F1 score? It is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Means it provides a single metric that combines both precision and recall, and it balances the trade-off between two, and it is calculated as F1 score is equal to 2 into precision into recall upon precision plus recall. Okay, as you can see over here.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Means F1 score consider both false positive and false negative, making it a useful metric for imbalanced data set where precision and recall may be skewed. Okay. Then what is the next term? One term is support. When you are evaluating the matrix as point, when you will be doing this task in machine learning, also you can understand there is a term in the classification report that is support. It refers to the number of actual occurrences of the class in a dataset. Means it is the number of instances in the each class. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then what you are discussing?
Confusion matrix.
No, no, no. Yes, confusion matrix. We are discussing the evaluation matrix, right? Confusion
Precision.
matrix, accuracy, precision recall, ROC curve, all the stuffs are
One is
done.
more.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what are the advantages? Okay, now you can understand why there is not using the in broader terms. Advantages is easy to use, means user friendly with a simple graphical user interface, as you can see, right? Then this is versatile, means it supports a wide range of algorithms and data mining tasks also. It is open source, it is free to use and continuously updated by the community. Then it can be extended with a Java API or plugins. Okay, what are the various limitations? Memory limitations is there. Means it is not optimized for large datasets since it operates in memory. Okay, you cannot work with this when you are working on a deep learning based model. The data set is large, you cannot use this tool. Okay, then for performance matrices, means it is slower compared to more modern technology like your Python, R, or big data. Okay, when you are using coding, means your Python language for everything, and scikit-learn also we are using for this because again mining task. So this is quite slow. Okay, and it is limited deep learning support, means basic support of neural network, but advanced neural network integration with other tools is not that easy here. Then what are the real world applications of a Weka? If we talk about, you can use it for your research purposes, so for business analytics purposes, means your market segmentation, customer churn prediction, fraud detection technique also you can use that. In the healthcare industry you can use that, that is disease prediction models, pattern data analysis. Then for finance means credit risk assessment, stock price prediction. Then some text mining technique also you can perform, like your sentiment analysis on form detection. Okay, this is all about, and the next class starts for all of you to use your Weka tool
Yes, sir.
and come with that. Okay, now we'll discuss about your project. Can anyone share me the project? What is the project is all about?
Uh,
Hmm? Let me see. So now we'll discuss the project. So today we'll discuss the data mining task. Okay, in the next class we'll discuss dealing with different types of data and we'll go further. Okay. My screen is not visible, right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Not
sir.
visual.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Not
Not,
visual.
not
Not
visible.
visible.
Just a second. Let me download your projects. Then you have the project document, right?
Yes,
Yes.
we have that.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Guys, you all don't worry. If you if you need anything from our side, you can directly contact us. Okay, if you have any problem related to anything, suppose
Okay.
you can
Okay,
reach
sir.
out to us.
Okay.
Okay, no question asking. Don't worry. Okay, and then I can documents is there.
So do you want me to share my screen? I have already opened that PDF in my system.
Okay, can you share that one?
Sure.
Dude, can yes. Okay, it's downloaded. No need. Thank you. And
Okay.
Python document is there. Data science doc. Download. I think you all can see my screen.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Yes,
in
sir.
IPL data, it is focuses on extracting the valuable insights means from IPL match data by using various data analytics techniques and by analyzing the historical match outcomes, player performances, team comparison, venue statistics. Means you will just visualize the trends and patterns through graphs like a bar chart, line chart, scatter plot like this. Okay. Means then means it is also explore the player career insight. What are the things to be added? I'll tell you. Okay, it's not limited with the features. Okay, the features are there. Means your math outcome analysis. You have to add in a feature. And let me tell you, it's not like that you will do the whole project in Power BI. Okay. In the upcoming classes,
Okay.
also we'll do data analytics and visualizations using Python.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, in
Yes.
Python language, you have to use some of the
Yes.
by using the Python, you have to visualize it, some of the graphs and charts. Then by
Yes.
using the Power BI or Tableau, you can use go for your interactive dashboard. Okay,
Okay.
then
Okay,
here,
sir.
Okay.
yeah, player performances also means track the individual player statistics like runs, wickets, and strike rate. Then use bar graphs and scatter plots to visualize the player contribution. Then it is comes to team comparison, means to compare the team performance using a line or pie chart for win percentage. Then what is the who the team that won the most number of matches, most number of titles. Okay, and the the IPL franchise that still they have not won a single series, means they have not picked up the trophy. You can take the example of Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Okay, देन कोई यहाँ आईपीएल का फैन नहीं बैठा है क्या?
It hurts, sir. Don't drag RCB in this, sir. दुख होता है. Please.
और बहुत बहुत सारी टीमें हैं. यू कैन पंजाब किंग्स है तुम्हारा. देन दिल्ली इज देयर. You can use them. So then venue performances means evaluate the match outcomes across different IPL venues, then present value based performances using heat maps or bar charts. Then run rate and scoring analysis means you can visualize average run rates for different teams and players. Then use your line graphs to track scoring trends over the year. And then best batting partnerships. Partnerships like identify and visualize the top batting pairs using your histogram. Then analyze the successful partnership based on runs scored on the boundary rates. Okay. These are the features you have to add, but in the same time, first you have to add the list of seasons. Then fast ball of the history. Season wise IPL matches. Most IPL matches played in a venue. Then IPL matches played by each team. Then for batting analysis, as you can see over here, team comparison, player performance. Player performance to be divided into two types. That is batting analysis, bowling analysis. Yes, in batting analysis, most runs scored by IPL team, most IPL run by batsman, then average run by teams in power play. Everything you need to add. Okay, you can go for the recording. Whatever I'm saying, the features you need to add. Then you need to visualize it. Then most IPL century by a player, most IPL 50 by a player, orange cap holder, most sixes, most boundaries, means fours, most runs in IPL season, then number of sixes in IPL season, number of fours, highest total by IPL team, then your most IPL sixes hit by a batsman. Then in the bowling statistics, you have to use most run considered by a bowler in an innings. Or purple cap holders for each season, most IPL wickets by a bowler, then highest purple cap holder, then most maiden over by a bowler, most wickets, most no balls by a bowler, then most no balls by IPL means by an IPL bowler, by an IPL team, then most run given by a team in extra, most wide considered, most no ball, then IPL own percentage of a team, winning probability, all those stuff you need to add. Yes,
Sir,
yes. And one more thing you can add, that means a player that means that the player that will be there for in a team for more than 10 years. Yes, what happened? Tell me. Yes,
Sir, what about data set?
what about the data set? I told you na, you
Yes,
can
sir.
download your data set from Kaggle, or if it's not available, everything is not available, you can update by your own. Okay, you can manage the data set by your own.
Okay, sir.
2008 to 2024 data should be there. Okay, nothing should be skipped. So it's all up to you how you'll handle your data set. And don't, if you are managing your data set by your own, after downloading, if you want to change something, if you want to add your features, that are the features I told you, if the stuffs are not available with that, then if you are doing that, then everyone should do that, and no one should share their data set with other teams, other groups. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's all. Got it, everyone? I'll proceed with the project.
Okay.
Ruja Prajapati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So having said that, let's wind up the class for today, and in the on Saturday or Sunday we'll have one more session if possible. Okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
there we will discuss how to deal with different types of data. Okay,
Okay. Cool.
thank you everyone.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
wind- Let me stop.
Thank you, sir.
You
Thank
can
you,
leave
sir.
now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.